Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make a giant scone cake. So what we need to start off with is the flour. Because I'm going to make a big whopper whammy of a scone cake, I'm going to use 4 cups of flour, which is 480 grams. Give it a nice sifting, and some baking powder, 1.5 tablespoons, pinch of salt, some icing sugar, and that is 1/3 cup. So we've got that all nice and mixed, and we just make a little bit of a well in the center. 2 cups of cream. Don't use your Maggi mix, and don't use your blender to do this. Do it the old-fashioned way with a knife. And then there we go. You can see it's all coming away from the sides, and it's all going to create this beautiful mass. And then what I do is just feel it, give it a little toss in the flour. There we go. There we go. Into the fridge for, as I say, 30 minutes, longer if you can, if you've got time. Let's take a peek. It smells absolutely divine. It's kind of puffed up. It's nice and golden brown. And then with a very sharp knife, we're just going to cut right through it. Look at that. Jackie has whipped some beautiful butter with vanilla paste, so you've got little speckles of vanilla. So while it's a little warm, I spread it because there's nothing better than a scone with melting butter. Beautiful raspberry jam. We could just use strawberry jam, but not apricot jam. Okay, so this would be like an ordinary one, but then for something really special, I think let's pile another one on top. Okay guys, I think it's tea time.
Cheers.
Cheers.